Welcome back to another Wicked's Tech Lab video. Today we're just doing a quick video on Discord on how to change your server profile name. First, you're going to go down here to the bottom and you're going to click into the settings. Then on the right, we're going to go over here to the edit user profile, edit display name. Then here, you can change either your user profile or the server profile. We're just going to go with the server profile. Inside the server profile, you can choose which server and which nickname. Once you go ahead and type the nickname in for that server, then you're going to go ahead and save it and escape. Thank you for coming into another Wicked's Tech Lab video. Don't forget to share the video out with your friends, subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, and leave us a comment in the bottom if there's something you want us to go over.